Hi there everyone, welcome back to Chill and Trade TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell. So in this coming week's video, we'll be looking at just an update on Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, if you just go back and watch my previous video, my last Euro USD video I showed you how we'll be looking at the market. I analyzed it from the daily going down to the lower time frames. Basically, I did top down analysis on this pair. So just go back and look at that video. So like I said, this is just an update video. Euro USD, we are still looking for those buys all the way until the upside, till that high. But before price gets there, that doesn't mean we should just sit on our hands and wait. We can still capitalize on short-term moves. So let's go down to the H4 time frame and see what price has been doing and see what we have. Let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, so basically I see an opportunity for a short-term sell opportunity. So the two probabilities as I am looking at this pair right now, let me just draw the current structure that is there. We have those two highs, and we have these two lows. So if you are familiar with chart patterns, you'll know what this pattern is and how it behaves. But nonetheless, I'm just going to be showing you the possible moves that I am looking for next week. Let me go down to H1, because those of you who are my regulars know that I take my entries on the H1 time frame. Let me just see if this pattern is drawn correctly. It's touching all the highs and lows. Let me just zoom. What's wrong? Okay, it's fine. So as I said, ladies and gentlemen, there are two probabilities that I am looking at. Just get rid of that. So as I said, I'm looking for a short-term sell until this low. Then from then, I'll look for the buys, because overall this is uptrend. So I'll be looking for buys when price gets to this low, and also just to for more confidence rather. The reason why I'll be looking for buys at this low is because should price play out this move, this will be the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, as well. And you can also see that it's a previous support resistance zone. Let me just see. Okay, not really, from this high, but from these lows. Let me just do this. Yo, what's wrong with this? What's wrong with my touchpad? It's not responding the way I would like it to. Okay, you know what? Let me just delete this and use a horizontal line instead. Yeah, there. It's also a previous support zone as well. So just to add on more confluence as well. So we have the third touch, 1, 2, 3, and also previous support zone as well. So just to sum up this move I said I'll be looking for short-term sells, and let me just draw what will confirm my entry, to the downside for the short-term sell. Let me just zoom in as well. Zoom in. So price just anticipating a young correction here. Looks ugly, but anyway, you get the idea. Enter at the breakout all the way until this lows, the third touch lows, as I said. As I said, let me just draw these arrows back. Then from there, I'll be looking for the buys, the buys, the buys, buys, the buys, the buys, buys. However, remember I said there are two probabilities that I'm looking at. Should this move play out and break out, let's say price breaks out, I'll be looking for confirmation as well. To enter. Either a pattern again, either the same pattern again, breaks out, gives me a pattern again, I'll enter again, or price goes back at the previous support, now resistance, and retest, and then I'll enter again. Until these lows, the first support zone, and from there I'll see what price does. If it reverses right here at these lows, then I'll be looking for buys. Let me just zoom out. And then I'll look for buy reversals, because remember, the long-term move is mostly bullish. But also again, if it now breaks this support zone and gives me the same, let me just do this. As I was saying, if it breaks this support zone now and gives me the same setup that was here, either a correction or a retest back to the zone, then I'll look for sell entries, because the market is telling me that there's a chance that it will still continue to the downside. And then once price gets to this support, this final support zone, I'll be quite skeptical of looking for sell continuations, but I'll see how the market plays out. And if it does break, then I'll just continue looking for the same thing. Remember, guys, in forex you just trade the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. So if then now gets to the support zone and gives me bullish reversals, then I'll continue looking for the long-term move, which is the daily buys, the daily bullish move. So that's it from me. That's it for Eurusd. Last week I did update on AUD CAD, and if you do trade it, you can just go have a look that the market is actually just playing a few changes here and there, but nothing major, still continuing as we anticipated, which is the bearish move, the long-term bearish move. That's what we're looking for. So this week I just decided to focus more on Eurusd because it's giving us nice trading opportunities. So that's it from me. That's it from Chill and Trade. Thank you for watching this weekly analysis video. Until the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and leave a comment down in the section. Leave a comment in the whatever they say. Leave a comment in the section below or whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. This is Chill and Trade TV. Have a positive trading week next week. Peace.